I just wanted to update you all on something that's going to be happening next couple of weeks. All this behind me is all going. This room is not going to be our living room anymore. It's going to be dedicated to my studio. The set is going to change. I don't know if I want to do a build video for that. Here it is. It's not quite finished. It's getting there. I've got a bit of work to do. Obviously, I need to finish putting these pictures up, and that one behind me needs to go up. But this is it. I don't know about you, but I think I like it. I have so much more space. I love it. My wife has helped incredibly doing this, and she knows that I really appreciate that. It's been hard work, I'll tell you that. I can't paint for toffee. My wife has shown me how to paint. I am not very good at DIY. But we've got there. It's done. And now I can get back to making videos and hopefully push on now. Tell me in the comments what you think. Hopefully you like this a little bit better than seeing a sofa in the background. There's more stuff to come, but yeah, it's a little bit more attractive than just looking at a sofa. One other thing. Some of you may or may not know, I'm a West Ham supporter. We did really well last night, really well. I'm pretty happy. Over the moon, in fact. I was asked if I got a little bit tipsy, a little bit drunk, but no, I didn't. I don't drink. So turns out I'm a bit of a crier and a bit emotional. I got very emotional last night. And when Jared Bowen scored the goal a couple of minutes from time, I screamed so loud, Lola, our little pug, went running because she was scared. And I didn't mean to do that, obviously, but it was quite a loud shout. And I apologise to all the neighbours, but it was a good night, and I'm very, very happy. Anyway, that said, let's carry on. So what can we expect from this new set? Well, obviously I've got all this space so I can do a few more bits, and hopefully in this corner here I'm going to have another desk that'll be for top downs, so I can do looking at hardware stuff, which would be quite nice. I'll have an overhead camera hopefully at some point when I can actually afford to get a new one. I've got a few interesting things coming up. Behind me, I don't know if you can see down in this corner here, that's a Linksys box. I've been asked to have a look at that. It's a Wi-Fi router. I've been asked to have a look at that by my father, who had a bit of a struggle getting it set up, or he's not convinced he's done it right, or whatever it is. So we'll take a look at that, and we'll run through it and see if we can get that running for him. We've got part 2 of unsupported hardware Mac OS, because there were a few things that I missed out in that video, and the last step, the most important step, which was installing OpenCore to the operating system disk, to the boot disk, I completely forgot about that. So we need to do that step. And also I found out why the graphics were a bit buggy, so we can look at that as well. I've been suggested, in fact, by my old network manager in my old job, Patrick, to have a look at in-place upgrades on Windows Server, which could be interesting to take a look at. I know you guys are not particularly big on Windows OSs, but it might be fun to see how that's improved and changed. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. I think I'm going to do it anyway, just for my own curiosity. I'm quite interested about that. Yeah, so we got quite a lot coming up. I'm going to insert a few time-lapse videos into this video just to show you some of the things that I had to go through to get this room set up. It has introduced a bit of echo where the sofa has gone and a few other bits, so we'll try and do some soundproofing. I think it's bouncing off the ceiling, so I might put some panels up there. We'll get those photos put up so that you're not just looking at them on the floor. Yeah, so I'm back. We can get moving when making some more decent videos now, I think. Thanks for bearing with me. It really is appreciated. And guys, we're approaching 3,000. We're like literally less than 100 to go. I am so stoked that we've got here. It's just incredible that's happened. Star Wars Cup. Everything else is Star Trek. What's going on there? And yeah, so I've also had some suggestions to look at more NetBSD stuff. So we'll do that. What else? What else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. I'm always interested in getting your ideas on what you want me to do. It's this channel is just as much yours as it is mine, and I can only achieve success by doing what you want me to do. So tell me what you want me to do, and I'll happily do it. Let me know. That's all you need to do. Just drop a comment or an email. Just say what you want me to do a video about, and I'll do my best. If it's something that I know I can do, or I think that I would have a decent attempt at trying to do it, I'll do it happily. But yeah, so check the time-lapse stuff. I'll bung that in at the beginning. I think you'd have already seen it. What am I talking about? I'm just so chuffed. I'm so happy to be back. Obviously, I'm in a good mood because of my football team last night. Incredible result, just incredible. Great match, very emotional. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Again, like I say, just leave it in the comments what you want me to do, and I'll attempt anything, almost anything, and we'll go from there. Let's grow together, guys. Let's really push on and put some videos in that we all want to see. As always, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to check out Discord. Again, it's my own fault. I don't get on it enough, but it's gone a bit slow. But check it out. It's still there. There are some interesting questions in the history. So take a look. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. And it's good to be back.